What's the best way of effectively presenting information to a human? Defence is always looking for cutting-edge solutions to really hard problems, and augmented reality has been of significant interest in trying to develop next-generation HMIs or human-machine interfaces that operators and warriors can use in different scenarios. And so a key part of that is understanding what this technology will be useful for and what populations should be using this technology. So my area of research is called active vision, and we study how people make eye movements and hand movements to interact with the environment. And we've also been interested in understanding how they deploy attention when they're interacting with the environment. Fatigue has been studied a lot on its own, and stereo vision has been studied a lot on its own. And currently there isn't a lot of research that has actually brought those two things together. But Defence needs to understand how these things interact in operational settings. Part of what we did with DST and with our other stakeholders is that we actually worked through a scenario to help Defence understand when this type of technology could be used and how having an adaptive HMI, which might change depending on that operator's state. So for example, if we know that if you have compromised stereo or not, then the interface could be changed slightly. If we know that if a person is under fatigue, and we know that's inevitable in some deployments, then you might be able to adapt some aspects of the HMI. For academia, I think it's a wonderful opportunity to work on real problems. Most of us are trained in highly theoretical areas, but Defence provides some awesome, gnarly problems for us to work on in a real environment. And if your theory can't handle that kind of complexity, then you've got bigger problems. So it's great.